To speed up your workflow in any application, utilizing shortcut keys is what you have to do. So in order to do that in CapCut, you need to know what the shortcut keys are. And to know what the shortcut keys are, let's start with the video editor right here. Once you go around onto the video editor over here, then this is what you get by default, as you can see right here. So you don't know what the shortcut keys are. But if I were to go around and hover around over here on certain tools, you know what the shortcut keys are right here. For example, for move, you can see the V is shortcut key right here. For hand tool, X is shortcut key. For full screen, Control Shift plus F is shortcut key right here that you can utilize right here. Similarly, you can hover around these tools right here, and as long as a shortcut key is shown, you can go around and utilize them right here. For export, you don't see shortcut key over here. If you want to get a list of shortcut keys, then in the video editor, you can click on shortcuts over here on the bottom left hand corner. And if you were to go around and click, then this is what you have, as you can see. So there is different shortcut keys right here, like there's export and import, like Control E is the shortcut key for export. There's Control Z for undo and Control Shift Z for redo right here. And similarly, you can see there's like timeline shortcuts like attach is N, and there's zoom, like Shift 1 is zoom to 100%, Shift 2 is zoom to 200%, and so forth, which really helps in speeding up your workflow. For example, if I were to go around and then let's say, for example, bring in this particular footage right here. So let's just see around the shortcut right here. So it says zoom to 200 is Shift 2. So Shift 2 right here, zoom to 200. Shift 1, zoom to 100 right here, just like this. Similarly, you can go around and go to, let's say, for example, hand tool, which is H. Press H, and then you got the hand tool right here, just like this, which allows you to quickly access out different tools and then utilize them as you like. So the same goes for your image editor in CapCut as well. So once I go around onto home page, you can see that create new image is an option over here. And as you click on it, let me just go around and then create a new content right here and choose a template. And this is what you have, as you can see. You don't have a shortcut list till now over here or for the time I'm recording this. The shortcut keys for the image editor, but you can hover around and view out the shortcut keys right here. So this is what you have. So if I were to press Shift 1 and Shift 2, then you can see that the shortcut key list from the video editor works over here as well. So you can go around and see the shortcut keys in the video editor to know what they do and utilize them over here in the image editor as well. But here as well, you can go around and hover around and see that X is for hand tool, and you can utilize them over here. You can undo and then redo is here. So Control Z is here, as you can see right here, and so forth. So you can go around, undo, redo over here, press Control Z right here, just like this. So you can go around and undo it, redo it, and so forth over here, just like this, and utilize the shortcut keys right here as you like. So that is how you can utilize the shortcut keys to speed up your workflow inside of CapCut. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.